Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim's Erba Actime reagent. You can see this is the brand name Erba Mannheim's, and you can see the product name over here, Erba Actime, and you can see the reference number over here, EHL00004, and this product should be maintained in 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of the product. You can find what are the content present inside the box over here. It comes up with an Erba Actime 10 into 5 ml, and the product code is 131747, and it contains only one inside the box. You can find the manufacturing date over here. It comes up with an 1-year warranty. And this is a C certified IVD product. You can find both the marking over here, and at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details, and this is the overall content of the box. I'm just going to show you the side view of the boxes. And this is the top view. Thank you.